Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix no signal issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and restart phone. After restart phone, go back to home screen. After restarting, enter your phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again open quick settings panel, swipe down and you will see turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times, you will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset. After click on reset mobile network settings and click on reset settings, enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so you will see clear phone. After clean phone, so that's how you can fix no signal issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.